Salamat po, Madam Miones. O yun, sabi ko na eh. Madam Gardening, meron bang bagong upload? Sa 19 hours pa lang to, Madam Gardening. Ayan o, bagong upload. 8 hours. Ayan o. Naka-ads. Bagong upload. In 10 hours.
And today's video, guys, I have here a snowball or a mountain cactus, and I'll show you on how to propagate this one.
How to propagate mountain ball cactus.
To show you on how to propagate this one. So as you can see, this one have lots of babies. And with the use of my piece tweezer, let's pick the babies one by one gently.
Idol and Bone, shout out.
Quite a few here. So if you are new to planting,
napag-iwanan ako ng YouTube. Pati yung main channel kong bumabading WH. Puro busy. Kagabi walang wifi kami. Ginawa din. Hindi nakapag-update kagabi.
So there are a few more small ones, but I will also pick them and just leave the mother plant again. Do you know almost cacti are succulents?
Napag-iwanan na tayo ng YouTube.
Unlike many other succulents, this stem is the only part of most cacti where this vital process takes place. Most species of cacti have lost roots, retaining only spines,
shout out,
as well as defending against herbivores. Spines help prevent water loss by reducing airflow close to the cactus and providing some shades. In the absence of true leaves, cacti and large stems carry out photosynthesis. Now I have here the mother head again with a tiny one left, and let's just put this back here for now. So let's begin giving these new heads or new cuttings their own place. I have here these small plastic pots that I always use when I propagate. So this is just small and tiny, guys. I also have my potting mix ready here, and normally I let them sit and wait for them to colors for a couple of
Garden
minutes.
journey with
If
ease.
you want to make sure they won't rot.
Good morning po, Madam Bicolana. Nagbabalik po sa YouTube. Sabi gano'n. Napag-iwanan na tayo ng YouTube.
Also an alternative for rooting your plants. So rooting powder increases
Nice
the chances of
one.
your cuttings rooting. The roots will also develop faster and stronger
Watching
than when you don't
her.
add additional hormones to your growing cuttings. And also cinnamon powder helps protect seedlings against rot, which ultimately accelerates
Sis Bicolana, good morning.
What is
Yun.
more, for seedlings, you do not need to prepare the cinnamon solution. Simply sprinkle some ground cinnamon directly on the seedlings, and the rest should take care of itself. So this video cactus Simpsonii,
Dito pa tayo. Dito sa kabila. Mid-roll.
Relatively common cactus.
Watching
that
pa tayo
has
dito, ha?
adapted to survive in cold and dry environment in high elevation areas of the western United States. It can be found at higher elevations than any
Bago.
other cactus in North America. While not a landscape-dominating plant, it is relatively common species and the most common member of the genus Pseudocactus. Because of its beauty and adaptation to cold environment, it is sometimes grown by gardeners in areas that have few other choices due to the limited
Mid-roll,
number of
yun.
cactuses with cold adaptations. Like many cactuses, its populations are sometimes threatened by this desirability due to their theft or removal of plants from the wild by collectors. The body of this succulent plant is one or more large rounded stems, like between 2.5 and 15
Ito ay kay
centimeters
Kitty
wide and
B.
2.5 to 25 centimeters tall, though it is usually less than 15 centimeters in height. The shape of this stem is like an egg with a wider part towards the soil or ovoid, or like a bowl shape, which is globose, but can be flattened out or sunken into the ground in a
Ayan.
or depressed, particularly in winter.
Magkuha tayo ng
The
ano.
plant is covered in
Ito yung highlights mo, Kitty B. Kuha tayo ng